So guys, I sold my 18 inches ring light to get this LED 600 because of it's rechargeable. There's a battery with it and all. So because of sometimes we don't have lights, so I have to get this one. So let's unbox it. So this is a tripod. This is a tripod. See these mounts. This is it. Okay, let's unbox the main deal. This is a mail deal. Okay, this is the lights. The reason why it's LED 600 is because this small light is 600 here. So this is the back. This is where you adjust the lights, and these are the batteries. These are the batteries. It came with 2 batteries. Came with 2 batteries. I think I've not done this before, but okay. Plug it in like this and like this. This is how it stays. Okay, this is the on. This is the on. Okay, this is it. Wow, this is the highest. This is the highest of this color. It has 3 color. This is white, this and very red. I love it. I'm happy I got this. At least I can use it for my videos. I can use it for my videos without, even if there's no light. I'm happy. So it's to charge the batteries now. Well, if there is light, it came with an adapter so that whenever there is light, I don't need to use the battery. This is the adapter. So I plug it here. I'll put it here. Then I connect this with the lights. So there's currently lights. Let's try it out. See, it's connected to lights. They have taken the light, guys, but it works. They just took the light as I'm trying to check it. It works, guys. So I'm so happy. Why this is the charger, the battery charger. How does this work? Okay. This is the battery charger. Where are the batteries? So I'll plug this here. Put this way then. Connect all this. Put it this way. This is the battery. This is the battery charger. This is the amount. Like, put it this way. And I'll charge this one. Where is the does it? Fix it well. Fix it well. And this is a rotator for the tripod. For the tripod, in case you want to turn to this side, turn to the side. I love this. I love this, guys. Bye.